Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Since Halloween is only 2 days away, I thought that it would be so fun if we did, drum roll please, pumpkin carving! Yay! So for my pumpkin, I'm going to carve the YouTube sign since I have a YouTube channel and I just thought that it would be a really cute, fun idea. And we have our pumpkin, our sign, a bucket, our carving tools, which also come with stencils. How cool is that? And some tape. So let's get carving. So I'm going to put my sign right here, and I'm just going to take some tape. We're going to just tape our sign on the pumpkin. Okay, so I have my YouTube sign on, and I'm just going to unwrap these. First, we're just going to take the long knife because all the other ones are really small, and I'm just going to cut out the top of the pumpkin. Oh, this is so gross. So now I'm just going to gut it all out so we can cook the seeds when we're done and put them all in the bucket. Okay, so now that we're done carving out the inside, we're going to carve out our design. I'm done cutting out my square, so here it is. And now I'm going to cut out the little triangle. I'm going to just take a smaller knife like this one and just trace out this triangle. And then we're going to put it inside this with a little toothpick. So now that I have my rectangle and my triangle, I'm just going to stick a toothpick in the edge of the triangle, and then I'm going to stick it in the pumpkin. Okay, and then I'm going to take another toothpick and then poke it in a hole there. And now I have the YouTube sign. Ta-da! Okay, so now that we're back home, to cook the seeds, first you have to separate them from the pumpkin guts. Then you're going to wash them and we're going to lay them out on the pan. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I had so much fun carving my pumpkin with you, which is now outside. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Happy Halloween!